Yeah, now I'm gonna change the cylinders and pistons. I have bought a set of 1641 pistons and cylinders here that I will be putting on. So yeah, let's start taking off the old ones first. So yeah, let's go. So to get the pistons off the rods, you have to take off these locking springs, one on each side, and then you can hit the piston pin, carefully out. Then you can take it out. Right, now I'm gonna try to fit the new pistons and cylinders. As you can see in there, there's an arrow. That arrow is always gonna face forward. That tells you how the piston is sitting. So that means I'm gonna fit the piston like this. Right? And now I'm gonna try to fit it by not take it all the way out, because the piston rings already are in place. Just gonna do it like that. Getting ready to put it in. First, I'm gonna put on the gasket. Like that. And then put on one locking washer. That. And then put this on. Like that. And then I'm gonna try put it on here. Then, and then another one. that. One piston in. Doing the other one ready. That. Yeah. Now the other one. Same procedure. Yeah. There's the locking washers. Alright. Be sure to get the arrow the right way. And then the gasket. You can see it's a little notch in there where you put it. Just snap it in. Right. Need 2 hands. So yeah, make sure it's on the right place. Like that. And then you have this. And like that. And then it's ready to put on. Let's see if I can do it. Like that. Yep. Now the other look. That. Is it. It's locked in place. And now it's just to slide it in. Sweet. 2 to go. Right. Now for the other 2. Let's see if I can get them loose. There you go. They're in. Woo! Oh, 4 new cylinders and pistons. Now it's just to put on the heads and rockers, and yeah, that will be done in a new episode coming soon. See you then.